Okay, let's put this here. Quickly go here so that it won't ping me. Okay, good. And now just do. I'm gonna lower this because it's actually annoying me. And then I'm gonna increase by a bit this. Should be better, I hope. I'm not sure. And now I just need to go to the stream channel. Just need to go there so that I can see the chat. Right? If I don't have it open, I can't see the chat. Sadly. And I need to mute this so that I actually won't hear myself back. Well, either way, in the meanwhile, while I wasn't streaming, I actually fixed the player data handling. The main problem was that the items didn't have their NBT, so I had to create like a custom holder to hold the NBT. God, the music is really annoying me. I'm gonna lower it even more. Okay, put it like somewhere here so it will actually be noticeable. But as I was saying, I needed to make something like this to actually hold the NBT for the items so that it will actually save. And yes, it still works with the custom items so that it will actually like put in the correct consumer. So that isn't something that I have to worry about. Although I could also handle it through here, but I don't think there is a reason for it. While also working on it, I tried to do a bit of collision detection. The only problem is that it doesn't work horizontally, which for now I'm probably gonna ignore it. I don't wanna do raycasting. I mean, I could do some raycasting, but I wanna do the super jump. It just sounds cool. And I don't know if I'm like gonna register it here or if I'm gonna make a custom class just to hold all of the items, but I'm probably just gonna make a custom class. Oh, or it could be an interface now that I'm thinking about it. Custom items holder should be doable, I hope. And we're gonna put this here. We're gonna take this away. And it's gonna go here. I'm gonna need to do dot collision detection, what scheduler. Go here, okay. And what's wrong with you? Oh, it's private. That makes sense. Okay, now it should be. Okay, I don't know why it's just that. I want to make it and for it to be also public, so it will actually changes in signature. But I think not sure what that is supposed to be. But alright. Okay, we're gonna do custom items holder, I mean. And yes, there's a difference. One of them holds the items, one of them holds the data. Sue me. And I guess we could also make it so it also implements it. Because why not? Why the fuck not? Okay, I'm gonna move this here so it will actually look good. And now we're gonna work on the second item, which is gonna be the super jump. The super jump should be very straightforward because the only thing that I will have to do is paralyze some vertical movement, and the collision handling should be exactly the same. So let's see, component, oh, I hate autocomplete. Component text. God damn it, I can't. Let's do component text super jump ability, so that it will actually match with the previous one. It's gonna be another list of components, just one though, since I don't want to make a bunch of them. Use this ability to jump super high. I mean, some people won't know it, so it's good to like leave it here. It's gonna be out of the same material, and the custom model daytime this time is gonna be 2. And for the event, we're gonna do pretty much exactly the same thing we did here, although a bit differently. I hope. I'm not sure even, because like I have done it here like for the horizontal, but for vertical, not sure if it will be exactly the same. Use item event is equal to event.cast player use item event. Okay, and from there we can get the player. Final player is equal to event.getPlayer. And from that point on, we can just get the position, calculate the movement vector. Wait, how do I even calculate the movement vector? Okay, let's see. So we're gonna grab the position. Get position. And then we're... Oh. I guess I could just grab the y value and like multiply it by 8, probably. Should be doable. Let's do the vector new post is equal to new vector of post.x post.y times 8. Let's do 8 and post.c. And then we're just gonna teleport the player there unless there's like a way to apply upwards velocity, which could be good. I mean, it could be, but I don't think it will be. A server event? No. I'm gonna ask AI because like I don't know the player class much and it's definitely better than me. Is there a way to apply upwards velocity? If there isn't, we're gonna go through the method of probably slowly adding up the velocity until we get to the actual velocity. Except for this, I don't wanna do this. For the velocity of y equals velocity for the square. Moves as long as I try it up with the velocity of 8. You can modify the 8 value on how high you'd like to jump. But does it actually like stop the velocity? Let's put the velocity after reaching. I'm probably guessing that it will say no, although the problem is that set velocity calls and it calls a event, entity velocity event. So if it says no, okay, good. Most of them, yep. Gravity. Stop motion. Yeah, no, that's just checking whether. But I can't do it times 8 because I just noticed that would move him really high. I guess we could do plus post.y times 8 or times 0.8. So it will actually, so that the player won't actually go to the fucking sky. And saying to start a task to monitor him. I mean, I guess I could, but the last time I tried something like that, it didn't really wanna work. Better applies velocity and start a scheduled task to monitor a player's position periodically. Okay, so we're not gonna do that because no thanks. And what we're gonna do is I have no damn idea. Well, no, but actually, how are we gonna do it? We could just straight up teleport, and that's what I'm doing like in this method because I didn't really know how to do smooth movement. I mean, there's this velocity thingy which I could use, but that's finicky mainly because of the events, and when the event is called until the set velocity is ended, I don't think the schedule will actually start. So yeah, I have no fucking idea. Check if the player is at or above the target height. Positions. I guess we could do this. Try it at least. Let's see. Vector upwards velocity. Let's see how it will look like. Okay, it's making the velocity, set velocity task. And if it reaches that, then it just sets the velocity to nothing. And I think when it reaches that, I would want the task to end, so it won't actually consume any resources from the scheduler, but I'm not so sure if I could do that. So for now, let's ignore it. If it doesn't work, then we're gonna see. Inventory does. Okay, I'm just gonna do the exact same thing with the super jump. Item stack 6. We're gonna do custom items folder dot super jump, and let's compile it and actually see if it will work. It hopefully should. If it's not gonna work, then I'm going crazy. But probably the main problem will be that the scheduler won't actually stop the upwards velocity. Why? Because I don't think the task is ever gonna be created. That's what happened last time I tried it. So it wouldn't even be something new to me. Okay, let's see. Load faster. God, why do I always keep leaving my shaders on? Not that I needed to make a picture of the damn thumbnail, but I still didn't have to leave the shaders on. Actually, it's gonna take 50 fucking years just to get in. At least it's not a paper server where it would have to load almost everything. Okay, oh, it's supposed to be a state plane, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna fix that quickly. No. God, I should actually clear this. No. Okay, here it is. Blank stained glass pane. Black stained glass. It's supposed to be a plane. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna need to delete it afterwards. Oh. Oh, it actually works. Somehow. But there's no cooldown to it. Yeah, I'm also gonna need to implement the cooldowns, but that's for sometimes later. But how is it working? I really have no idea how it works. The particle now here. That's the Nimoh scheduler. Schedule task. Player position is more than player. Huh. Okay, so the problem with this is that we need to get the initial position. Double initial y is equal to player dot get position dot y, which we're hello Phoenix, what are you doing here? Well, we're gonna check if the now we need to check if this velocity is bigger than the initial one. Fuck. And the initial y plus 8, which means 8 blocks up. Yeah, it would be something like that. I'm actually gonna need to figure out how the vectors with velocity actually work. So I have no idea. What does it even do? It calls the event, get velocity, gets the velocity which will be applied. The velocity event. How does it know like what velocity it will? You know what? I'm not so sure. I'm just gonna try doubling it and we'll see if it works. It hopefully should. But who knows? Might not, it might will. And also hello Phoenix if I didn't say that. Okay, let's see. Oh, goddamn, my goddamn history didn't have it saved. I should move OBS somewhere else so that I actually don't always go to it. Oh. Well. You gotta love some good old flashbangs. It's still even on. I think I need to restart it. Never mind, it's frozen. Well. Oh. Oh. Never mind, I should have trusted it. Happens. It sometimes happens. And I still don't get why it's not showing my... Oh, never mind, it is showing my top bar. Just can't see it in the stream preview for some reason. Not sure why. It probably focuses on what's more important. Because we will want to see this top bar. I mean, there isn't anything there. But still, it was quite annoying to not see it. And now it's gonna be annoying to wait on this goddamn Minecraft instance. God, I hate this. Oh, never mind, it's here. But it's a black screen. Load faster, for fuck's sake. Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, never mind, it's still not loaded in. God damn you. Why aren't you full screening it? It's been a few seconds. Why haven't you full screened yet? I think it's the shaders. Wait, did I even disable them? Did I disable the goddamn shaders? Wait, wrong file. I mean, not wrong file, wrong thingy. Shaders, of course, I didn't disable them. Makes sense. Slide done. Multiplayer, the server, and let's see. Let's see if it actually works. Okay. Okay, so it works actually. I guess we could do like 24. That should be like the perfect amount. And then we're just gonna null the velocity. And yeah, we also need to add a cooldown. And after that, I guess we could do the platform, which should be like the super jump that we're gonna teleport the... I mean, we shouldn't just teleport the player. We could do it periodically that the platform... Okay, I hate screenshotting. I mean it like that the platform will slowly rise from the ground and it will take the player with him. That's what my think process is. But with the super jump now working, I guess we could do the platform. And the platform should also be pretty easy. Keyword should... Oh. Okay, go there. And let's see, items, stack, platform. And we're actually gonna copy this code. Why? Because it's really similar. Like, actually. We're gonna need to apply a 3-block velocity. So that the... Well, not 3 block. Okay, this is gonna be fun. So we're gonna need to teleport the player 1 block high up, and below him we're gonna need to add a block. So we're gonna do this. We're also gonna set an int I is equal to 0 so that we can actually measure how many blocks we've placed. At the end we're gonna increment I plus plus. And what's wrong? Oh, god damn it, I hate you. I know it can be replaced with a lambda reference, but it's not all we're gonna be doing. If I dot get is equal to 3, then we're gonna cancel this. Wait, I have no idea how to cancel. We can just do task dot cancel. Okay, yeah, that's good. I hope. Task dot cancel. Alright, no, it would cancel that task. Howdy. Don't remember how we did this last time. I equals 3. How about I just do scheduling manager dot cancel? No? Manager. Can I reference the scheduler in here? Nimoh scheduler dot cancel? No? Execute process take process and take. Nope, I can't. Well, how? Okay, I remembered. We did an atomic reference to a task, which we call task, and we just said new atomic reference, and we saved this as a task equal to, okay, task reference, we're gonna call this, and at the end we're gonna put task reference dot set task equals this, then we get task dot get, we get task this task is equal to this, and if it doesn't equal null, then we can actually cancel this. This task dot cancel. Okay, so we solved this problem, and now how to actually apply the momentum. It's gonna be the fun part. So I guess at the start we could set the gravity to true. Then we're gonna teleport the player one block up. Player dot teleport. And do we have like an okay, no, we don't. New pass of player dot pass dot x. You know what, I'm just gonna save the player pass like here, so it won't actually, so that I won't actually have to write the thing all of the time. Player pass is equal to player dot position. We can just replace this with player pass. Then we're gonna do, wait, could I just do player pass dot, oh yeah, I could just do this 0 1 0, so that we like teleport him to a position one block higher than his position, which now means that we can store it. That's annoying. Player dot get position dot add, and we're gonna need to put a block below him, which would be like an oak plank, and we're gonna do player, wait, no, contain, we need to do instance container, so Nimoh.instance container dot the block. Okay, yep. So we could do player dot get position dot subtract, and we're gonna do 0 1 0, and we're gonna set it as block dot oak blank, oak dash blank, and after that we could give him the gravity back. Where that set no gravity is equal to false. Okay, so that's just for raising the platform. Now we actually need it so that after a few seconds it destroys the platform. So that's gonna be fun. I remember doing something similar in the particle generator with like canceling the thingies later on. If it's infinite, then we can schedule. Okay, so alright, get it. I hope. And next stick. Schedule task cancellation. Okay. Okay, I think I get it. So we would need to get the scheduler again, Nimoh.scheduler.schedule task, which would just be a typical runnable. And we would need to schedule it like wait, what was it? Task schedule dot next stick. We would need to schedule it like a few seconds after happening, so I'm thinking like 5 seconds. Task schedule not dot tick dot seconds. Let's do 5. Yeah, I know that it can be replaced with a lambda reference, but I know it. Okay, so we're gonna do the good stuff. Wait, no, repeats repeatedly. I could actually just say it like this. I didn't need to do all of this referencing stuff. It's fine. Well, either way, after this, we're gonna need to get the blocks, destroy them, and teleport the player down. Well, I mean, we have the player here, so we can just get Nimoh.instance container dot set a block. Can we do set blocks? No. Okay, let's do for and I is equals 0. I is right now and I is equal to 1. I is smaller than 4. I plus plus. I need it to be like this. And now we can do Nimoh.instance container.set block. We need to get player.get position dot x. Wait, what are we even doing here? Player position subtract. I guess we could also do this. Player.get position dot subtract 0 I 0, and we're gonna set it as block.air, which then should also make the player fall down and make us not do anything else. I hope. Let's do chain. They won't actually be annoyed. God damn you. I hate you for a loop. Okay, should now work. I'm just gonna need to also put it in our inventory. We can actually access it. So we're gonna put it through here. Player.get inventory. That's set item stack 7. Custom items holder dot platform. And yeah. If this works, then I guess we could do the cooldowns, and after that we can also add the textures, since right now we don't have the textures in the server yet. Let's have it like as a texture pack here on my PC, but not even on this version. I think I have it for like 1.21, which might be a bit annoying to get might be a bit annoying to get here, but it doesn't matter. Oh, dash ability, super jump, super. Oh yeah, I accidentally didn't rename it. Oh. Oh. It almost works. Almost. Oh yeah, that's because we set the initial value of 0. Okay. The initial value of the atomic integer must be 1. And we need to put it by here. I think. Because otherwise it will delete the blocks below us. Oh, what? Okay, so that's fun. Huh. Let me stick and up. And I'm gonna need to cancel the task afterwards. So how do I do that? I mean, after it, I could just make another atomic reference. Atomic reference, task revert reference. And we could do task revert reference dot set, and we're gonna set task revert task equal to this. We're gonna say it as revert task, and after this happens we could do this. Damn it, I don't want this, I want this. This task revert reference needs to be, because otherwise it would cancel a task that is already cancelled. Okay, and I also need to change the naming. So platform ability. Platform is this ability to raise a platform. Is a platform below you. Okay, good, my grammar is still good. So we're gonna do this. We need to compile it again. And after we do that, it should hopefully work. If it won't, then I really don't know. But at least it worked pretty close on the first try. I mean, it wasn't far off. Okay, goddammit, why do I keep switching to OBS? Okay, let's see. Just gonna quickly put myself into creative. And I wanted to place. Okay. Okay. I don't know why it raised it so high. Okay, let's try again. It raised to this. And then deleted 4 blocks. Okay, my math is most likely wrong. God damn it, fuck. I hate you, OBS. Okay, current file. It's not destroying all the blocks below me. What's wrong with my math? I most likely fucked up some positioning math. Your card, it seems like you're attempting to build the abate server. However, it looks like the math or execution may not be directly position. Yep, power missing slot. You're subtracting 12 integer. This is nope. Loop bounds. Okay. It's probably rather more like this part of the code. This platform is supposed to go 3 blocks high, but it's going like 8. What's wrong with my task? Okay, the issue, the platform going hard is, yeah, such as that there might be a problem. Yeah, I know that there might be a problem. Just but due to unclear logic or task time and the condition may not be stopping in time. This the variable I is not incremented fast enough, or the block placement possible problem equals misalignment. your task is set to every event in reverse logic. The reverse logic works good enough. It's just this. Is your problem? Will the strict control of the player's position should always start from a fixed initial value, and we should calculate the platform height as specific blade somewhere. Define control. Okay, I'm not sure what it's doing. I'm really unsure of what it's doing, but let's follow it. Because it might actually work. Actually be better than me. So we need to do this. And the thing that it did is that it made a height counter. Extra height build. It gets the initial position and on each task, platform position, initial. Yep. Subtract, subtract. Why is it subtracting? Why is it? No, but actually, why is it subtracting? Initial position dot add. If it's 0, and we're subtracting, and we're just gonna make it below us. Revert test. These. I don't know what is wrong with it. And I really don't get whatever it's doing here. If it works, it works, and I'm not gonna question it. If it doesn't, then who knows? Who knows what we'll do? But I'm betting on that it won't work. Why? Because it's goddamn Minecraft. Why would it work? 3, 5, 5, 6, 5. Hey, this time I didn't switch to OPS. Somehow. I just gotta see like this. I'm gonna lower it a bit. Or maybe not. Need to add like some sort of a way to limit it. Hey, platform ability. Let's go. I knew it would only do 2 blocks. And it would do this. I knew it. I goddamn knew it. It was too imperfect. Well then what's wrong with my code though? No, but actually, what is wrong with the thing that I did? Okay, let me put on back. Put this back and let's see. Teleport player.get position.add, and below the player position we need to set the yoke blank. Let's set 13. It's regularly. What's the difference in this between mine? You know what? I'm not sure. I'm just gonna revert to this, and yeah, I'm also gonna put this as 4 because it's not building it correctly. Why? Because it counts the block that we start on, so we're gonna make it 4 so that it actually doesn't really count the block that we start on, because it needs to cancel out with this, which starts at 1, but this starts at goddamn 0. So that's the main problem. 3, 5, 5, 6, 5. Oh, and well, what's this? I don't remember how to check like the open ports. How to check the program using which ports Linux are Okay, never mind, it's still on. Okay, but I found this. That's then TCP 25565. Okay, kill, and let's kill this. Okay, copy it there, and now if we do this, god damn it. How the hell do I dash B? Huh? You know what? I'm just gonna do this, and I first wanna go back to YouTube so that I can actually see comments. Okay, good. I'm back on YouTube. For some reason, it's not live for me. Okay, but work. Okay, goddamn YouTube. Okay, now it should probably work because the address should be unbound. If it's not, then I'm not sure. 25565. Okay, yep, it's good. For once. Okay, let's see now. Did we do the platform correctly? Okay. Okay, good. And it should also delete the... Okay, yeah, good. It works. So, what now? I would probably wanna do it so that it also teleports down the player like with it. So it also has a descending like sort of feel. Which I have no idea how to do, to be honest. The blog, and we could teleport him. Okay, so first we need to do player dot set no gravity to true. We need to teleport him one block below. Player dot teleport, and we're gonna do player dot get position dot subtract. And we're gonna do 0, 1, 0. And we're gonna do player dot set no gravity false. I should have gotten something to drink. I'm getting thirsty. Okay, but this should be it. At least for like the classical items, we still need to make a cooldown system, which that's gonna be the hard part. How the hell do I do it? I mean, I could probably like was thinking that I would just like put it here and show it on the XP bar, like put a map of, let's do a private, no, not a private, okay, fuck, map of UUID and long, which most of the times it's just gonna be 30. Cooldown map is equal to the new array. Wait, no, hash map. Hash map. This. Oh no. This. Okay. And oh yeah, I can't do this long. Okay, so what we're gonna need to do is that on the item use, it's gonna add a player to the map, and whenever he tries to use one of these items, it checks if there is a player there, and if there is a player there, it just doesn't allow him. Okay, so this should be good. This should be straight enough, hopefully. Oh, let's see. Cooldown map dot put, and we're gonna do player dot to get UID, and let's do 30 seconds. 30L. God damn you. Non-literal ends with a load. Okay. Yeah, damn it. Okay, now I'm just gonna wonder on how do I actually handle it. Guess I could like add a scheduler. I mean, well, not a scheduler, a task or something, or could handle it asynchronously. Hmm. I. No. We would need to like do a public task. Okay, so we could do something like scheduler.schedule task. It's a task that would run every tick. So we would do a schedule.take1, the schedule. God damn it, the schedule. Hit this take one. And what we would do is that we would grab the custom items folder, the cooldown map, for each. We would get like the UID and the long. I don't know why it made another set of parentheses. It always does that for some reason. And for each, we could just decrease the time and put it back in. That seems good enough. Okay. Wait, no, we would need to do every second. Seconds. So, would also like to send a packet to the player showing their cooldown. First, let's focus on the actual handling. So we would do custom items holder dot cooldown map dot replace. We would do UID and a long minus. The value changed at a long is never used. What do you mean never used? God damn you. When could I do this? Yep. I think I could do this. And then on every single time of that, let's just do long new time is equal to a long minus 1. And we would put in new time. And we would also display the new time. And for that I have to go through the goddamn packets, because I'm 100% sure it's like a packet, but I just don't know which. So network, or never mind, I'm just gonna do, wait, how do I get a player by their UID? Minecraft server dot get connection manager dot find online player. Find online player, get player connection, get config player, get online player by username, and get online player by UID. Okay, UID, and we're gonna need to send packet, which it needs to be object of null, new set title XP. Experience? Question mark? Experience packet. Okay, here it is. We need the percentage. Okay, so you would need to divide God damn it, I always say the percentage. We need to do the new time divided by 30. Float percentage would be 30. Wait, no. New time divided by 30, which would be the percentage. And what's wrong with it? Cast to a float. We do the percentage. We would do the level, which would be new time. And then we need total experience. What? Public settings, serializer, experience. I'm just gonna look it up. Or let's ask AI. What are all the parameters in that experience packet? Because I don't know what the last one is supposed to mean. It's already been 50 minutes. Damn, I didn't even noticed. Set experience packet is presumably yep. Yeah, float experience bar. Yep. The total amount of experience the player currently has. But what is supposed to be the total experience? Should be the total experience. I'm not sure what it. Total experience typically represents the amount of experience points that a player has accumulated. Its value is tied to the current level of own party. Total experience, the level current level, which determines all the lines. Let's just do 0. Might work, might not. Oh yeah, we need to cast this into an int. I don't know why I didn't even put it as a long. Who knows? Total experience. Oh shit. Did I just... You know what, let's just leave it as it is. Okay, so that should send that, hopefully. Gonna ask if the cooldown system is correct. And would the cooldown system work using the scheduler? Okay, let's see if it will work. Cooldown system should work with scheduler. Okay, now we just need to make it so it will actually put it every single time. So we put him there, and we also need to put it here, and we also need to check like if it will equal 0, then we gotta remove him. So if new time equals 0, then we custom items holder dot cooldown map dot remove, and we remove the player UID. Just remove him. We do nothing with it, and of course we return so that it actually doesn't like continue. Yeah, that's... Oh yeah, we also should send this. We also should send the package, which would be 0, 0, 0. Yep, simple as that. On leave, when the person would leave, I should also make it so it removes their cooldown. So on leave, or can I get the custom items folder dot cooldown map dot remove layer dot get UID. And before doing any of this, we need to check whether they can actually do it. So if cooldown map dot contains key... Oh yeah, I should do this after that. If it contains the key player dot get UID. I mean, if it doesn't. And if it does, do we do anything? No, it's just not. Okay, so this is the easiest one somehow, and it's just like exactly the same. There isn't anything to do with it anymore. We've won. we did it. Yeah, it was actually like this easy, but like the dashing was really weird, and I still hate the way that it works. So now it should work fine, I hope. If it doesn't, then I'm not sure what I'll do. We'll see. I need to see if I can watch this through YouTube Studio, because it will provide better analytics. Let's see. Content. Okay, meanwhile, I'm gonna start the server again, 25565. Live. Yeah, I have it here. Okay, good. I can see it in studio. How many people have watched this so far? Oh, 6. Alright, not bad. Alright, dashing is... Oh, okay, it works. I didn't actually expect it to work. But... Oh, okay, I need to get used to it. Wonder, does it persist? Yeah, it persists. Good. At least that fixes some problems that there could have been. So we're also gonna do this. For some reason, okay, exception in scheduled task. Yeah, but where did this scheduled task happen? What? I'm not sure. Runtime I know that there was a runtime exception, but I don't know what caused the runtime exception. The concurrent modification exception occurs because you are modifying the cooldown map via cooldown map replacement cooldown while trading through the forage method. The iteration is not really low. The fuck? Okay, so what do I do if I can't modify it during the for loop on the cooldown map? Every entry in the map to proceed the cooldown at the same time you are trying to update the map by modifying this place of map is modified by speed. Okay, copy the data before iterating data. Copy in the cooldown map and iterate for the copy data. This prevents the iteration. Okay. Use an iterator. Oh, I could have just used an iterator. Iterator doesn't mean iterator, will iterate what happens next. For map. And I'm just gonna use the iterator. Concurrent mapping thread concurrent hash map. Let's just do the thing that it suggested and use the iterator. I would say that that's the best option, to be honest. Just do the iterator as more. So I don't really get the iterator that much. I mean, it sounds pretty cool. It sounds pretty much like the streams, but I haven't really. Oh, what the? Oh, mad at this again. 0 if it doesn't equal null, and I need to cast this to int. Iterator that next. So we get the UID, we get the new time, -1, we get the percentage. If it equals 0.1, entry dots. Okay. And then where do we calculate the new time? Okay, so we need to do if new time equals 0, we're gonna need to make it so that it sends a different packet. It would be a 001, 0, 0, and we would actually like return from it. Return, so that it will actually like stop it. And yeah, the problem is that it will continue the task every single time, so it will like continue sending this packet. So what do we do? Let's just okay, let's do it like this. I'm thinking that if player doesn't equal null, and while the player is still in the map, and custom items holder dot cooldown map that contains player dot get UID. While it contains and he is a null, we could keep sending him in the packets, but once he's not in the map, we should just stop. Why? Because there might be some problems with it. What problems? I don't know, just constantly sending a null XP bar. It's not really like a big problem. I mean, it wouldn't be null, it would just be a 0 XP bar. The main problem with it would be that it would just show nothing. Okay, super jump. Okay, it works. Do we get any errors? Nope. Does this throw any errors? Nope. Okay, so after the cooldown's over, we're gonna check out the platform. Wait, should actually work. If it's not gonna work, then I really don't know. At least I fixed the error of that being annoying. I need to disable this so that I can actually see the cooldown. 3, 2, 1. We're off. Oh. When we're moving, I also need to send a packet, because otherwise it would be a bit annoying. Player dot send packet. Does this return anything? No. Okay, let's just do that. We will send the packet player that set packet. Yes, set cooldown packet. No, not this. Set experience packet. Experience packet 000. Just be like so that it doesn't mess up this. And it traces by this. We stay here for a bit. And okay, something's wrong. I'm not sure what. Oh, it's happening every 5 seconds. What? Next tick. Maybe it shouldn't happen next tick. It should happen in the next 10 seconds, because the player might not have enough time to update properly, but otherwise it works. So I guess we could like add in the textures. Okay, so right now I'm probably like gonna make a menu to select which ability. Depending on the ability, it will give it to you with your sword, which there will only be one for now, since I don't have any like text. I mean, I have one which I could use, so I guess there are gonna be 2 swords and these 3 abilities. That shouldn't be really hard. God damn it, why do I keep opening that? So where would we put it? I guess we could put it in the core. No? Put it like so. I guess we could, but there's already a GUI here, which is bugging me a bit, also with the capitalization GUI. So where do we put it? Because I want it to be organized at least a bit. I guess we could just put it in the root folder, like the pre-start game. Let's do game, and let's do pre-start. Yep, and let's do GUI, and we're gonna do ability selection menu, which I might have to rewrite the database a bit now that I'm thinking about it. So how the hell do I do this? Oh, I extend inventory. Extends inventory. So we create a constructor matching super. We do this. The inventory type will be a 6-row chest. I don't need it in, and component dot text will be abilities, which I can't spell. I know I can't spell. What am I doing? Okay, so we can remove this, and we're gonna need to do GUI. No, border dot set inventory border this. Okay, it's just to set the inventory border, and now the goddamn things. I always hate like the indexing of a Minecraft inventory. Just a bit weird. My Minecraft inventory indexes, because it starts from 0, and I don't really wanna count it by hand, because like that's just annoying. 6-row chest show as ASCII, and I can spell ASCII. Good. So double chest. Okay. I would wanna put it somewhere in the middle, which would be 31, I'm guessing. No. Would be 22, 31, 40. But the problem with this is, let's do what if we did. No, we can't do that. Could do 21, 22, 23. Those two sound the best, to be honest. And below that, we could just do the swords. Yeah, that seems fine. And we would have to code a bunch of logic to do it in one wall window. Yeah, it's fine. This the wait, could I just do set item stacks? Yeah, I could. Let's do it through a for loop with wall is smaller than 3. So it would do 0, 1, 2. We also need to get a list of item stack. Let's, or rather, do we? Right. Not sure. List of, yeah, let's do a list of item stack. And we're gonna do items is equal to a list of, wait, no, this one's gonna be abilities. It's gonna be custom items holder dot dash, custom items holder dot super jump, and custom items holder dot platform. Gonna be these 3, and then we're gonna need to create the sorts. List of item stacks, sorts. The first one will just be a typical diamond sword. List that off. We're gonna do item stack dot off. And we're just gonna do material dot diamond sort. Where is it? Here. Okay, good. And next, oh wait, I also need to look on how I have the hitting of the mod, because I don't remember how I do have that. And oh, I have it specified here. Item diamond sword, use cooldown 5 seconds. Okay, I guess so. We could do that. Blade bow dot item. And I would also like to integrate in like the custom items folder, so that I don't actually have to specify it all in. But for that, I would first have to remember how this works. Value of item material. Okay, so guess why are we doing this when we could just do this? Okay, so now the logic for it to do that thingy. So we could check whether it is in the custom item holder that can, oh wait, not custom item holder. No, not items. God damn you. Why did I name them so similarly? As item player dot get item in main hand. Yes, I do know that is present if it actually contains it. And we also need to make this so that it isn't one of these thingies. And that it's not those thingies. So the player that get item in my just gonna put this here in main hand equals custom items holder dot dash. I guess there could be like a simpler way to do this. Okay, let me just code one. Default boolean is ability. We're gonna grab an item stack item, and we're gonna make it so return item equals dash or item equals super jump or item equals platform. That's just a simple way to do it. So we could just invert this and custom items holder the wait, I need it to be static. God damn you, static. Why do you always do this to me? Okay, how many people are here? And 0 happens. Okay, so where were we? Event function, I think. I really think, yeah. That is ability player the get item in main hand. We're gonna invert it so that yeah. I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, so basically we're checking whether it is the blade ball item or whether it is in the custom item holder, but we're also making sure that it's not the ability item. Yeah, that's basically what we're doing. Again, do we have any error here? Yeah, we have it here. People item. And we're gonna do a custom item, the register item. component.text, and I'm gonna pull up the what is it called, the formatting codes. I'm actually gonna make it bolder so that it will actually like look good. Oh no, I didn't want it here. That this. I always forget whether this goes. I think this goes first. I think I have it in the commands. Top command. Oh, it goes after that. Alright. So we're gonna do this diamond sieve. And what else do we need? Just item. We need a list of components. List out of. It's gonna be nothing because I don't want a component. The material is gonna be material the diamond sword, and after that we need a I'm gonna put a semicolon here before I forget. The material, we need the custom model data, which I don't remember what I put it as, so time to make a quick check. Downloads, where is it? Night sky, assets, Minecraft, models, I think. Models item. Yeah, here, diamond sword. And we're just gonna check the custom model data. Yeah, it's 1. So we're gonna put it as here. And what else do I need? Custom model data. Oh yeah, I need the consumer event. I guess we don't really have to do anything with it. I mean, do we? Seems like we're not planning this to have any custom. I guess we couldn't. Event. We could just make it so that we get the item used. Okay, I need to first cast it to the player item use event. This item event E is equal to event.cast as player use item event. We're gonna get the player final player. No, player is equal to e.getPlayer, and now we can just like create an animation there. So we could do particle generator dot what was it? I think it was sphere with the position center. Means since we're doing it for a specific or let's do it like for all. Nimoh instance container position center, we're gonna get player.getPulse. We would make it like 0.5, 0.5. I am probably gonna move this to the next line so it won't actually bug me. 0.5. And what else do we have? We then have, okay, why is it using this? Why is it using this one and not the second one? Instance, position, position, the 3 thingies, then the particle and the duration. The particle dot slash. Wait, what's the slash particle? Where do I have the Minecraft wiki? Here, particles. Okay, I remember there being like some sorts of a slash particle or something. Shriek, small flame, small sneeze, snowflake, sonic boom. Okay, it finally loaded. Oh, it's called sweep attack. That makes sense. Dot sweep attack. And next we need the duration. Let's do like 1 second. We don't really need a lot. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. And the 3 first lines are gonna be the 21, 22, 23. So we're gonna do set item stack at 21 plus I. It's gonna be the slot, and we're gonna get the abilities dot get at I. which should work. Yep, it works. And then we're gonna make a second for loop for I is smaller than 2, I plus plus, which is gonna be for 31 and 40. Or could I do those like through a for loop? I don't think so. Yeah, let's just do them normal. Set items text 31 words dot get first, and set items text 40 sorts dot get last. Okay, and that should be it. Hoping I would just have to like add in the items, which would be the, oh yeah, I also want to make the text or whatever. Yeah, here. So we're gonna get this, but I can actually make everything bolder. Here, here, and here. It's gonna be like this, and we're just gonna also do this black stained glass pane. God damn it, that's a horrible. Okay, Dutch black stained glass pane dot JSON, and we have this, and we're gonna copy like what we have from this, except to actually fit the black stained glass pane. God, that's a mouth. That could be a mouth twister. I mean, not a mouth twister, but like if you say it a lot of times, it it will like twist your tongue. Black stained glass pane, and on custom model data 1, we're gonna do. Wait, what custom models do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. I'm guessing. Yep. So one would be not here. One would be the dash. Okay, so now we gotta copy this. Second would be super jump. Super dash jump. Let's check. Yep, second is super jump, and that means third is up. Third would be platform. Okay, platform. So we're gonna do the exact same thingy that we did like a few seconds ago, but like the same for all of these. Dash dot JSON, super dash jump dot JSON, and platform dot JSON, which should give me all of these. Okay, good. And we're gonna copy it from this. Thank you. Super jump. We're gonna do super dash jump. Okay, this is gonna be platform, and this is gonna be dash. Okay, so now that we have all of this, we're gonna go into textures, item, and we need to put this here, which I don't even know where I have. Oh, it's here. Okay, dash. Okay, I'm gonna need to rename these. It's gonna be dash. It's gonna be super dash jump, and it's gonna be platform. So we're gonna grab all of these. We're gonna put them here. We're also gonna need to change the tag format. Tag format 1.21.3, and what is it? Tag format for resource packs is, okay, where is it? 21 1.21. Okay, it's 34 apparently, but I don't trust it. Tag format for texture packs 1.21.3. Let's check. Oh, fuck you. What do you mean? Has not of it. Wait, has not been official. A hypothetical version? What do you mean, a hypothetical version? What is this then? What is this? What is this? But it hopefully should be like 34. If it's not, then yeah, that's gonna be annoying. So we're gonna compress it, night sky, and we're gonna put it on the site that we use for hosting these texture packs. We put it here. Okay, now I don't want to download it. It's like I have to go through the old-fashioned way. Night sky.zip. I am a human. Select all images that best match the theme of the sample image. Why are they using AI generated images? What the hell? Hell happened to CAPTCHA? Like actually though. Well, either way, now we got the texture pack, so we could put it here. Hopefully. Oh, catnip. Okay, so this will go here. Nope, okay. And the shad hash would go here. I think it's a shad. Oh, it's a shad one. Okay. It can go here, and on join we gotta show this ability selection menu. And we somehow gotta reformat the database. And it'll be fine. I'm just gonna delete this to reroll the database. And I'm probably gonna do that next stream because I mean I could, but I don't want to. Is the same is also the fact. How long have we been streaming? 1 hour 20. I guess we could. It wouldn't be that big of a problem. It's not like anyone will like tune in to listen to the stream. Okay. So instead of doing this, we're gonna do player dot open inventory, and we're gonna do new ability selection menu, which should show the menu. And then we also gotta do on inventory, click, yeah, on the item, no, here. Okay, if inventory instance of ability selection menu, so we're gonna get the item stack item is equal to event.getCollectItem. Okay, I'm gonna do this a bit differently. I don't know. Because the problem with this is that it won't retain the data. It will retain the data for this, but not for this. I'm guessing. Yeah, it won't. That's it. So that's a bit of a problem. For just gonna do a separate check for it. Item dot equals label dot items. Then we do play. Okay, we gotta grab the player first though. Player is equal to event dot get player, so that we can do some stuff. And yeah, I also need this because like otherwise you won't be able to grab the border, which we do not want. If it is, then we do player dot get inventory. I mean, not get inventory dot set item stacks. Let's do 0 and the label item. Label dot item. And then we gonna check like the custom item holder, and we're gonna run it through there. Else if I guess this could also be an else if. Do this else if custom item holder dot has item dot is present. So we're gonna first grab this custom item. It has item, optional custom item, optional of type custom item holder, items. I mean custom item. And item is equal to custom item holder dot has item, and we're gonna check if it's present. If it is, then we're gonna give the player an item. Okay, but okay, how are we gonna give it like dynamically so that it won't actually? Oh, that item stacks. Wait, does it actually do what I think it's supposed to do? Recall dot item. Does it actually like give an item to the next slot? Stacks. Add item stack. All or nothing. Add an item stack to an inventory and successful and update to viewers. If the item has been successfully. Let's hope that it will work. Player.getInventory.add item stack. Item stack.builder.build. We're gonna build it. Non-static. Oh god damn you, fuck you. Okay. I guess we're doing this the old-fashioned way. Items stack item to give is equal to item stack.builder. Okay, god damn you. Item stack dot. You know what? I'm just gonna do it material. Oh wait, no, I didn't get the custom item dot item. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, I need to call dot get dot item, and we're gonna do item dot give dot with custom name, custom item dot get dot title dot with custom model data, custom item dot get dot custom model data, and let's reference the third one, which will just be dot with lore, which will be custom item dot get dot lore, and that should be all of it. Oh yeah, I need to reassign this. Yeah, or I could just do that it is equal to this, which is, yep. I can just do this. It's already what? It's not item to give, and it will give the item because we built it. So now, are we gonna rewrite the database or what? We good? And on leaving it won't. Or we can just make it so that on leave it won't actually save this. Okay, let's see. If this works, then I'm finally hopping off because I'm getting pretty bored of this and I wanna play also some stuff. I mean, yeah, I like programming, but a person cannot keep doing it for like for hours at an end without getting bored to some degree. Huh. Delete the save. Window packet is not. Okay, alright. So I guess we could do this after this. Open inventory. This should hopefully work. hopefully I'm saying, because I'm not sure. I still don't really get asynchronous programming. And okay, I just wanted to check my mic quality. I know I can hear it like most, like if I watch the stream, but and I definitely sound bad in that. Oh my god. Fuck you. Alright, what do I do? What do I do about this? Okay, let's see. Your connection can be broken, yep. Ultras want to know packets, yeah. I know it's not registered verify milestone version. What do you mean verify milestone version? See updates. Huh. You know what? Actually gonna not do this asynchronously, and that should hopefully like fix it. I hope. If not, then yeah, I really have no idea. I always say like then, but I never know what I'm gonna do then. Or I just decide not to do anything. It really depends. Come on, package, and please work this time. Since I'm not doing it asynchronously, you should work. Hey, let's see. Training world. Never mind. Okay, so what do we do? Alright, let's move this somewhere else. Is there like an event like public static void on world train player? Wait, it should be like instance. Nope. Player item event disconnect event event. No. Nothing here. Spawn event. Spawn. I mean, it could do. It could be that event, and I guess we could get event.getPlayer.open inventory new ability selection menu. But I would first also have to register it. So we're gonna go here, and yes, I know that there's probably a better way to do this. I don't know, it's just like this. There's spawn event.class event function on world join. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna check if there's like any further like documentation to this, because when your instance is set for a player, you know, that should like happen when the player actually like joins the world. So let's see. Okay, it's loading the texture pack. No errors so far. Okay, and we got this. And it actually works. But I'm gonna need to like change this to actually be visible. And later, and I'm also gonna need to cancel the events. So either way, we're canceling the event. Event.set cancelled. True. But otherwise, I'd say that it works. Yeah, I really like this platform. It's one of the funnest things which I... Oh! Okay. This still doesn't work. So I'm gonna fix that probably someday. Like, I'm bored of this already. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed this stream, and I will stop doing outro, so see ya!